Ahoy, mateys, and welcome back. It's been a while, but my ship finally made dock. Need to restock my rum. This will be the final video for my custom gun cab build. Big shout out to Retro Lizard for providing me with a preloaded launch box front end. Also want to give another shout out to JB and Raymond Dye. Without them, we wouldn't have Gun for IR. Started with securing my ball tops and joystick extenders with plumber's tape. Then moved on to installing my new black LED sensors from Raymond over at ArtPeg Electronics. See link below. Install them on all four sides. This is what it looked like after. Made sure all the sensors work before moving on. Now it's time to run my power cable and USB cables through some cable sleeves. Looked like this after it was complete. Remove the panel below the TV for some new artwork I created. Sanded down the panel to make sure that the vinyl would stick. Started from the left and worked my way to the right with a rag, making sure to remove all the air bubbles. This is what it looked like after. Trimmed all the corners with a razor blade. Reinstalled the panel. This is what it looked like after. Installed some on-off switches under the cab for my solenoids on my guns. Also installed a USB hub for easy access and quick release. Purchased some new LED cup holders. Soldered some wires to a power supply. It's alive! Installed each cup holder into the controller board. Shout out to Die for this idea. Clean like a mother. Place the controller board back into the gun cabinet. This is what it looked like after. Oh, everything looks better with LEDs. Moved on to painting each gun. Metallic paint to match the arcade buttons. I applied 3 coats for each gun. Blue and black for the first player and red and black for the second player. When finished, I applied polyurethane to protect the paint on the guns. Marked and drilled some holes for my gun mounts. Mounted each gun mount to each side. This is what it looked like after. This is a very long project and I loved every second of it. I'm still setting up the front end with emulators and games. Check out my boy Retro Lizard and Raymond Dye over at their YouTube channels below. Couldn't have done this build without them. If you like this video and want to see more, pimp slap the like button, karate chop the subscribe button, and headbutt the bell for future video notifications. Going to end this video with a recording of me playing on my custom gun cab arcade. Oh, what a blast. Until next time, buckos, this is the Arcade Pirates sailing out.
There was nothing we could do.
Say hello to my little friend.
I'm counting on you.
Power up.
Visualizing windows.